The Amazon Echo is an internet-connected Bluetooth speaker with some artificial intelligence. It can recognize speech, answer many questions, and complete a set of skills and tasks. It is a wonderful home assistant, and many people own it. But how can it be used in a classroom to enhance learning? For learning, Alexa can be considered as a fairly new tool with promising potential. Alexa has a number of useful skills to make learning more creative and fun. Students can use the device to check on their math problems and see if they got it right.
Alexa, what's 54 plus 29?
54 plus 29 equals 83.
Or they can ask Alexa to spell the word for them when they are writing a practice essay.
Alexa, can you spell attention for me?
Attention is spelled A-T-T-E-N-T-I-O-N.
The fun part about Alexa is that it can be used as a student buddy and take on some simple questions that students would ask their teacher, and now the teacher saves some valuable teaching time. However, the important part is for the teacher to introduce Alexa as a tool for learning specific things like spelling, math, or science, and to have some control on students who are using it. Alexa can also save the questions students ask, which means that the teacher can have some data on what they are most struggling with. The way Echo works is very easy. You call the wake word, which is either Alexa or Echo or computer,
Alexa,
and then you ask the question. You can also press the button on the top. The teacher can also enable skills that he can find on Amazon.com under Alexa skills. These are all the Alexa skills, and we can go under education and reference. And the teacher can use all different skills to incorporate in the instruction. For example, the translation, with which students can ask to translate a word in almost any language. There is a day in history. The teacher can ask what historical events happened on that day, and this is a creative way for the students to discover the historical events. There is also a NASA Mars skill. Here the students can ask and learn facts about Mars.
Welcome to NASA Mars. You can ask me questions about Mars like, how big is Mars? Or, give me a Curiosity rover update.
Students can also play the spelling bee.
Alexa, let's play spelling bee.
Great. Time for a new game. How many players are participating in the spelling bee?
2.
It's time for a spelling throwdown between 2 players. Each player will have to spell one word correctly per round. If you get it wrong, you're out. The words get harder each round. You can ask for the definition, the language of origin, or an example phrase for any of the words. One spelling tip: enunciate your letters clearly and don't speak too slowly. Have fun. Let's begin round number 1. Player 1, please spell bumpy.
B-U-M-P-Y.
You spelled the word B-U-M-P-Y. Final answer, or try again?
Final answer.
That answer is correct.
And ask any information that can be found on Wikipedia. Alexa will search on the internet and read out loud the finds. Students can also ask and learn about the states and capitals, define a word, and practice the multiplication.
Alexa, let's play multiplication.
Welcome to Multiplication Quiz. Let's define the range of numbers you want to multiply. For example, if you want to multiply numbers between 1 and 10, say 1 and 10.
1 and 10.
Thank you. How many questions would you like in your quiz? You may have up to 20.
3.
Great. Let's get started. What is 1 times 3?
3.
That's right. The quiz has ended. You answered 3 out of 3 questions correctly, scoring 100%. You can view the questions, answers, and your responses in the Alexa app. Thanks for playing.